Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck overturned while going through a curve, causing severe damage. To the accident partially caused by a blind spot. Or the situation where the truck had a tire blowout while changing lanes. Join us to witness some incredible moments on the road, while also learning valuable lessons for driving. Let's get it on. Oh my, remember folks, follow the manufacturer's recommendation for tire rotation and balancing to promote even wear and extend a tire life.
Oh my God.
Distribute the weight from your belongings evenly inside the caravan. Avoid overloading it, especially with heavy items. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? We cannot cut off other vehicles. When we are on the road with a double line, very risky. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve. Bro, make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Oh, please cross the intersection carefully. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh no, that's partly due to the blind spot. Please be more careful. Defensive driving and always keeping a safe distance, folks. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. Be prepared to yield the right-of-way if required, especially when entering an intersection with no traffic signals or stop signs. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. This is the moment when the tire of a gravel truck burst on the road. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Нет, тогда проще съехать, чем его обгонять. Найти надо поворот.
Блин! Все заблокировано от удаления.
That is a typical example of overestimating one's driving skills. Driving requires respect, not recklessness. Luckily, no one was injured. Oh my God, this is the consequence of lane hogging and competing with other vehicles on the road. Never imitate this, everyone. This is the reason rearview mirrors were invented. Always check your surroundings before changing lanes, everyone.
Westbound near Tidewater Drive. This has now been pushed off to just the left shoulder, and heavy delays are still back there before Norview, and actually there is a crash in those delays. It's near Norview.
Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. Oh, when driving in the rain, never change lanes carelessly, as drivers also have their visibility partially obstructed. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts to late. At least there were no injuries. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.